What's up, buddy?
Let's keep moving in, please. Don't stop.
What's up, buddy?
Let's keep moving. Go in there, then the monkey will come up to you. I'm not going in.
Get a picture of it for your mom.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, buddy?
All right, those machine, are you ready, everyone?
Hi.
Let's keep moving. Right.
Are you gonna come up? Come on, come on.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming.
Well, you didn't last very long. Come on, come back up. Come back up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, get up here.
Come on, little monkey. Come on.
Oh, he jumped up once and he jumped off.
Just don't move, sir. Stay here.
He'll jump off.
Don't move
Don't
because
move.
the monkey jump.
Okay, he don't want me to move.
Next, anybody else? Hello, next. Anybody want to hold the monkey? Come on.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, buddy. Over here. Hey. Hollis. Hey, Doug. Hey, Doug.
Got one, huh?
Oh, he loves me.
Yeah.
And away he goes. He won't stay for very long. He'll only stay when he feeds him. Right, buddy? How you doing? Oh, he's getting away from me. He don't like me no more. He don't like me no more.
Okay, next, guys. Anybody else?
Watch, I'll get this guy on me.
Who's next?
I'll get one.
Sorry, you want to hold the monkey?
No, I'm good.
Come on. Come on. Look at that one. Oh, crap. Watch this. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Hop up. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. He's like, look at him.
You have to go over there because you're taller than her. So
Hi, Dora. He's trying to figure out my camera.
He'll know more about it than you.
What's up, Monkey Doodle? He probably already does.
Next, anybody else?
Look at this. Hey, buddy.
Battle of the Smithsonian,
How you doing?
right? The capuchin. Yeah.
Oh, no, you want the camera. Okay. Camera's all yours. Woo!
First up in here, so the monkey's coming out.
Coming down.
Double.
Oh,
Next, siguiente. Anybody else?
look at this one up here in the tree.
Guys, anybody want to hold the monkey?
Look at that guy over there in the tree. Hi, monkey. No, you can't have it. Check that out. Check it out. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Hi, monkey.
I was wondering when my relatives were all hanging out.
What's up, dude? He's obsessed with the camera.
Yeah, monkey see, monkey do, sir.
Oh, so if I pick my nose, you pick your nose?
Next,
What's up,
anybody
dude?
else?
What's up, dude? Hey, buddy. No, you can't eat it. It's not food. It's not food, buddy. It's not food. You okay? You good? You good? Hi. Hi, bud. I got you. Uh-oh, he heard that noise. He jumped. Here you go. Get a picture of that. You gotta scroll up and then hit the camera. Hey, Doodle. Look at him. He's nervous because he don't know where to put his feet. Hey, hey, hey! Careful, buddy. Where are you going? I don't know where you're going.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Cheers, sir.
I can't get rid of him. He's gonna take a crap on me in a minute. What he's gonna do? Hi, monkey. Do you want to go back to your branch? No, you want to sit right there. There you go. Yeah, I don't think he cares about me. Hey, dude. What's going on, bro? Oh, boy. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Nope. Oh, 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 oh. I think this one's in my pocket.
In your pocket, what you got in there?
I don't know. Nothing.
Your card.
That's it. Just my card. That's it. He just took it.
Just play.
Oh, he took my card.
Yeah. No, don't move. Relax.
Your turn, Aston.
No.
Hand drop.
Oh, you took my key card. You took my key card. Oh no.
You're on Honduras River.
Here it goes. Uh-oh, what do I do?
Thank you for coming, guys.
I need his key card back.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's trying to chew it up. He's trying to eat it. Of course it happened to me. Oh, here it comes. No. Oh, he dropped it. Thank God. I got one with a couple monkey bites in it now. I'm cool.
There you go.
Monkey bit my card up. Thank you. I appreciate it. That was awesome.
Thank you too, guys.
Friggin' ripped my card. Try to eat it.
Oh, yeah.
He tried to eat the fucking thing.